How are you? I'm Vincent. Welcome to our showroom. Today I will introduce 4 kinds of our car vacuum cleaner for you. Please look here. This is 4 kinds of our car vacuum cleaner. This tool is wet and dry, and another tool is only dry. Now let me show you its feature and how to use and clean it. Please look here. For this model, these 2 models, they have accessories for you to optional, and we can use with inside the accessories and use directly. How to clean it? You can just push this to release button, the empty. It's very easy. Also this one, same to use, and clean it is just push here, then release it, empty the dust from here. It's very easy. Inside the filter can be paper filter or dust bag filter for you to optional. Here's another wet and dry vacuum cleaner for this model. Now I show you how to use it and clean it. As you see, they have 3 small brushes. These 2 can vacuum the water just inside the pool here, inside, and show you vacuum clean. Yes, inside there have water inside. Also can use this small brush. Show you. Yes, water inside. Yeah. And this is the last one, our car vacuum cleaner. For this one, you already say they have electric tube floor brush. They have motor inside. Now I show you. Yeah, have tube located, can be located. This is our 4 car vacuum cleaner, and we export it to Japan, Korea, Indonesia, and other markets. If you like it, please feel free to contact with me. I'm Vincent. Thanks for cooperation.